Good evening, everyone. So today it's like mid of June, so I am here to Kullu for my some office work. So due to that, I am just free from the hospital, and now I feel like I should go for a run or I should go for a gym because this place has a little bit of more traffic in Kullu, so it is quite difficult for me to run. And even I'm not that frequent in Kullu, so I don't know the exact trails where I should go. So that's why yesterday I went for a 10K run, but it was like a little bit of more like mess for me because of the traffic. It's all highway and you cannot figure out when the cars are there and when one can hit you, because I recently had an injury, so I'm just scared of cars now and on the roadside. So that's why I decided to go out for a gym today. So I talked to the, like, I don't know the name of the gym, but I will go and read the name of the gym and I will also show you. So it's just a short vlog, like after coming from the office, from the hospital. Now I will go for a like 1 hour workout session. So let's go directly there. And I asked the gym instructor or the owner of that gym that I want to do it for like 2-3 days because I'm only just for a week here. So he said that you give me 500 rupees for the week, so it's a good option and I'm just exploring it now. One of my colleague, he's also waiting me downstairs. So let me give a quick look of my room. That's my room for 4 days, and I will also show you outside how it looked from. If you see, this place is called Atal Sadan, and that is the ground inside it, and there is my hospital RH Kullu. So let's take you around and ready to go. I will take my bag and I will take my lock. So now I will just get outside of it. So that's my room. Inside my room, this guy is just waiting for me and I have made him to wait for a few minutes. So this is Dr. Pankaj. So we will take this bottle with us, and now I will lock my room. So he's staying in room number 7. We are here for training actually. So let's go. Yes, we are full of energy and it's me there. Hey. So this is our hotel where we are staying. It's Atal Sadan. So we have to ask for the water, I guess, because there we cannot get water. So hum pani ke liye puchenge. So we have to go this way, right? This way. We have to ask for the water. From where you will take the water? So then give this bottle to me. Yeah. हेलो, कैसे हैं आप? ये पानी चाहिए था थोड़ा सा.
रेगुलर वाटर है लेकिन
इसको फिल कर देंगे
या फिर कहीं फिल्टर लगा.
फिल्टर भी नहीं. इनको बोल दो भैया.
ये पानी भेजेगा.
तो जब तक ये पानी भरते हैं मैं आपको थोड़ा सा यहाँ का व्यू दिखा लेती हूँ. तो ये है यहाँ का अटल सदन और काफ़ी अच्छे रूम्स हैं, नो डाउट. ये हमारे लेट श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी. तो ये मेरा रूम है. माई रूम इज़ 10 room number 4. So this is the whole building. So that's Kullu. You can see the beautiful mountains. So yesterday I went to that side. You can see that road in front of me, that side. So there is the gym. You can see, I can show you this place, this one. This one is the gym. So I will go there now. Of the building and now going to the gym. Hope so I will like it. अंदर से तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा ही लगा है. Let's see. मैंने कभी उतना प्रोफेशनली जिम कभी किया नहीं है और मैं करूँगी भी नहीं. जस्ट आई विल डू अ फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट सो दैट मेरी कंटिन्यूटी ना टूटे, इसलिए. तो ये है मिर्ची मसाला के नीचे. दिस इज़ आवर जिम फॉर टुडे. दिस इज़ मिर्ची मसाला. नो, जिम एंड स्पा. इट्स नॉट मिर्ची मसाला, बट ऐसा लग रहा है मिर्ची मसाला जिम एंड स्पा. नीचे मिर्ची मसाला लगाओ फिर जिम एंड स्पा जाओ. सो फनी. सो विल सी. तो मेरी अकोमोडेशन के बहुत नज़दीक था, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि यही चूज़ करते हैं, क्योंकि अगर एक दिन भी छूट जाए फिटनेस तो इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू कंटिन्यू. अभी मैंने और पंकज ने डिसाइड करा है कि हमें नहीं छोड़ना है कसरत, हम बनेंगे वो कौन सी थी, पावर ऑफ गर्ल्स। ये बॉय कौन सी गर्ल्स थी यार। तो यहाँ से ऊपर अब कुछ स्टेयर्स हैं और हमें, सो दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस। तो ये स्टेयर्स कुछ चढ़ के आए हैं ऐसे। हाँ, तो ये कुछ प्लान्स है यहाँ पे। तो हमें है 500 फॉर वीक, just a good option. So that's the gym. So here is the counter. Hello भैया, तो करें फिर पेमेंट?
हाँ कर
है ना?
पहले ट्रेन।
So this is the entrance and this is the gym. It's quite beautiful. See how dedicatedly people are doing. Nice. So let me show you. So this is the view. So it looks so good, like in the front you have such good high huge mountains, and here is the treadmill. So it's quite good. Without wasting time, I will go and continue the workout. So I started with treadmill. So it's like I have kept the inclination for 4, pace 6, and just going. It's like half a kilometer. Me, but don't go on this sweat. It's because of hot climate, not because of this. So I'm just running. So let's see. I have thought of just doing 3 kilometers and that's enough for me, and then I will do other things. Finally I'm done with 2 kilometers. I guess this is enough because it's like 20 minutes, so I have to leave this and do some another exercise.
Now I'm inside the gym. I have done the whole workout, but still I want to show you what I have done throughout my workout. So for that, I first want to tell you that I just do full body workout daily. So I don't go for anything like specific like leg day, arm day or something like that. I go for a full body workout. So I start with cardio. For cardio, I do I do treadmill for like 2 kilometers, or if there is no treadmill, then I go for a run for 20 minutes. After that, I will go with the first workout, which is with the dumbbells of legs. So I will show you. Five kg is enough for a girl, like for me. So 5 kg, I go with the 5 kg. So first exercise which I do is dumbbells like this, and I will keep it on the shoulders. And then I will do like this. And this is done for like 20. Each set is for 20, and I repeat it for 3 times. So that is the first one, and then second one. I will keep one dumbbell in my hand, and then go to my legs. This one is also done like you have to do 20, each set of 20, or total 3 sets, okay? And after that, I do some exercise of the back. That's what I do. Keep it as far as you can. Like 20 each set, 3 total, okay? And after that, I will go for like. Five, 20, like 3 sets, okay? Keep on getting it. do with the dumbbells, and this is all about the legs, back and shoulders. Now I do the core. For core, I first do like push-ups, each of 30, 3 sets. Push-up, I will show you. Each of 30 and 3 sets, and then we will do leg raises. Each of 30 and 3 sets, and after that I do leg press. I don't know what it is called. I do 20 of 20 sets. And after this, I'll finish my workout with a 5-minute plan. So let me show you. I do like 30-second plan, 30-second rest, 30-second plan, 30-second rest for 5 minutes. Come to this side. So that's all. So what I do in a workout session, this is my full workout session in which I do these various exercise, and mostly my target is each set should be of 20 reps, and total we have to do each exercise of 3 sets. Like if you are doing push-up, 20 reps, 3 sets. So that is good for every muscle to pump up and get stronger. So by this, I know it is a very time consuming workout. It takes almost 1.5 hours daily, but what people can do, you can just break it down into 2 sections, like 40 minutes one day and 40 minutes another day. So you can break it like this. So that's all. One day you can do legs and upper arm and some jogging, and one day you can do core. So that's all. So guys, stay tuned. That's all for this vlog, and I advise you all that stay fit, stay healthy. Being a doctor, my only advice is that you should always invest like half an hour or 40 minutes for your exercise. So I'm like an outdoor person, so I hardly visit gyms, but this time I'm in Kullu, so I have no another option. So stay tuned, take care, bye bye.